All right, now we are doing the seated cable row for the lats and the rhomboids, overall back development. Now, a few important things to keep note of to make sure that you are doing this exercise effectively. Number one, you want to make sure that you keep your torso at a 90-degree angle in relation to your legs. In other words, you want to keep your back straight up, right? You want to try to minimize the amount of swinging that you do, bring your torso forward and backward, as this could cause injury to the lower back. So once again, make sure that your back maintains in that static position straight up throughout the entire movement. Number two, you want a slight arc in the back. You want to make sure that you're keeping your chest up. You do not want to be crouched forward like this while you're doing the movement. You're not going to get a lot of contraction on the back. So make sure that you're nice and tall, chest up, nice arc in the back, right? Number three, you want to make sure that you're getting a nice deep stretch when you're performing the movement. You never want to do half repetitions. You want to get a full range of motion. So as you come all the way to your abdominals with the bar, you're going to come all the way back, getting that full stretch and then repeating the movement. This is how you effectively do a seated cable row.